I'm your host, Asa Kane, and this is the channel where I've been teaching people how to earn life-changing profits in crypto for over 4 years. Now, today, we're going to be diving into one of the most powerful topics in this space, which is crypto and financial freedom. Now, if you've ever wondered how crypto could help you escape paycheck to paycheck living or even build true independence, this video is for you. Now, stick around to the end because I'm going to share some practical steps that you can start taking today. Chances are you're new, so let me tell you, we have a clearly defined social contract here. My responsibility is to share my experience, my insight, and my knowledge with all of you. Your responsibility is to learn, and once you begin to learn, to contribute back to the channel. And the most effective way to do so is, of course, financially. And you see our address right here. Take it down. Also, you can scan our QR code. It helps us to continue to create life-changing content for all of you. And one last thing, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the bell notification, subscribe, and also hit the like button to make sure others like yourself who are new and who want to start learning and earning can do so today. What is financial freedom? When people talk about financial freedom, they usually mean having enough assets or income streams so money is no longer a daily worry. You're not tied down to a job you hate, you don't rely on debt to survive, and you're free to live life on your terms. Traditional financial freedom often comes from years of saving, investing in stocks or real estate. But for most people, that road takes decades. Crypto offers a new accelerated path if you approach it smartly. Now, why crypto unlocks a new path? Here's why crypto is unique. Okay, pay attention. With traditional banks, your money can be frozen or limited. With crypto, your private keys mean you control your wealth. No middleman. Access. Billions of people are unbanked or underbanked. Crypto doesn't care about your zip code, credit score, or status. If you have an internet connection, you can participate. Opportunities. Now, beyond holding Bitcoin or Ethereum, crypto gives access to DeFi, staking, yield farming, NFTs, and early stage projects that can multiply returns far faster than traditional markets could even ever think of doing. Global reach. Sending money across borders is usually expensive and slow, but with crypto, you can move value in minutes, often for pennies. That opens up freedom on a global scale. Then there's real life side of financial freedom. Okay. But let's be real. Financial freedom isn't just about stacking coins or hitting a lucky 100x. It's about paying off debt, covering living expenses without stress, having the flexibility to leave a toxic job, spending more time with family, traveling, or building something meaningful. Crypto can accelerate this, but only if you treat it like a tool, not a lottery ticket. For example, someone who dollar cost averaged in a Bitcoin since 2017 isn't just wealthier today, they've gained financial freedom, not just the ability to cash out, but the ability to say no to things that no longer serve them. Now let's talk about the risk and reality check. I have to give you the truth. Crypto is not a magic carpet ride into instant freedom. The markets are volatile. Scams are everywhere. I talk about them all the time on this channel. And if you invest blindly, you will lose money. That's why education is so important. Financial freedom comes from understanding the game, not just chasing every pump. So if you're new, focus on these timeless rules. Number one, secure your assets with hardware wallets like Ledger. Number two, only invest what you can afford to lose. Number three, learn the basics of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins before diving into altcoins. Number four, build long-term conviction, but stay flexible. Okay. And then Practical steps toward freedom. Let me leave you with a roadmap, steps that you can start applying today. Remember, I told you this earlier. Budget and save in stable coins. Use USDC or DAI as your digital savings account. Okay, you don't need a bank anymore. You don't. Dollar cost average in the blue chips. Slowly build Bitcoin and Ethereum positions over time. Okay. And then educate yourself on DeFi. Watch these videos. Learn how lending, staking, and yield can grow passive income. Diversify into opportunities. Once you're secure, explore smaller projects with strong fundamentals. And then protect and plan. Hardware wallets for safety and set goals. What does freedom look like for you? $500 a month in passive income? Enough to pay your rent? Know your number because we all have our own individual number, and no two numbers are the same. Crypto has the power to give ordinary people extraordinary opportunities. But the path to financial freedom isn't about hype, it's about strategy, security, and discipline. Now, if you've learned anything from watching and listening to me over the last 5 or 10 minutes, show your appreciation as well as your support by making a contribution back to the channel. You can do so with any stable coin built on Ethereum, Polygon Matic, or Binance. What these funds do, they enable us to continue to create life-changing content for all of you because no engine can keep going without fuel. And it's no different with us. Not at all. So go ahead and give back to the channel now. And for the 5% of you that are willing and ready to invest in yourselves, I just put down 3 brand new videos on 3 brand new projects that are getting ready, I think, to take off in the next couple of months. And you can only see them on Patreon. As a matter of fact, one of these new 3 videos is going to, at the very minimum, 2x from its current price today at its launch. So it's guaranteed as you can be to make 2x profits on anything. And this comes straight from the source. This is the value that I provide to my most loyal viewers. It's just what we do here. And you can find that in the description. And also on our homepage is $50 a month, unlimited access. If I'm you, I'm on it right now. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.